In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step strategy that you can use today to start promoting CPA offers and start making money online. Literally, you can make $100, $200, or even $300 a day promoting CPA offers if you are willing to follow the strategy that I'm about to show you in this video, and also if you are willing to take action and put in the work. So if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is you want to join a CPA network. As you can see right here, you get paid for app install, or you get paid when people sign up for an offer. All right, literally most of the times all they need to do is submit their email, and you get paid whenever the person submits their email. All right, so if I pop up my calculator right here real quick, a lot of the offers usually pay out around $2. All right, so if an offer is going to pay $2.05, all you just literally need to do is get about 50 people a day, and you've already made $100. And don't worry, you might be thinking this is difficult. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. All right, so if you don't want to use Cpalead, there are many other CPA network out there you can use. There's Cpagrip, there's OGRs, and there are many other options out there that you can use. So the process remains the same. So I've used this strategy with many CPA offers, and all you just literally need to do is follow along in this video, and if you do so, it's going to work for you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over and click on this section, and you want to choose email/zip submit. It's very important you do so. So once you do that, you can see there are a lot of offers right here that you can start promoting. So now I'm going to be taking this offer right here as an example. So if I click on this offer, as you can see, ask now for a $750 PayPal gift card. So as you can see right here, this is a gift card offer for those who are interested in getting PayPal gift card. All right, so all I just need to do is copy this offer right here. So if I come over and paste in the link to this offer in a new tab, as you can see right here, this is the exact offer right here. So if I go back to my Cpagrip account, as you can see, the image and everything right here is exactly what's on this page. So now if the people stumble upon this page, all they need to do is go through this short survey to make sure that they are interested in this offer. As you can see right here, how many times do you use Facebook per week? So if I choose anything, it doesn't matter. All right, so it's going to load for a few seconds. As you can see right here, all they need to do is input their name, their last name, and their email. So once they do that and click on continue, boom, you get paid $2. So it's that simple. It's nothing difficult at all. It's a straightforward thing. All they literally need to do is submit their email and you get paid. As you can see right here, what you need to get a conversion right here is for people to submit their email, as it says right here. So now I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can use to start driving lesser targeted traffic to this offer. So now what you want to do is you want to head over to Facebook, and you want to type in free PayPal gift card, and you want to filter to page. All right, so if you see right here, this is an example of someone who is doing exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. As you can see, this is a Facebook page right here. All right, you can see this person says you get free gift card or free gift card code generator. As you can see right here, this person is promoting numerous gift card on their page. All right, you can see this is also another person right here doing the same thing. Over 400 likes on this page. You can see the person is doing the same thing. Now you can see the person is directing them to their page right here. So basically you can see another person here doing the same thing. Over 2,400 likes on this page, and all you can see right here, they are promoting numerous gift cards that you can find on Cpagrip or Cpalead. All right, so now I'm going to show you all you need to do, and I've made a simple script that you can use as well. You can basically come over here and type in you can get free PayPal gift card and code for free, and you want to leave in some tags right here. So if people come over to Facebook and they type in free PayPal gift card right here, then there is a chance that your page is going to pop up as well. So that is why it's important that you leave hashtags right here. So this is where you are going to leave a link to that CPA offer. And also it's very important that you create a landing page for the PayPal gift card offer. As you can see right here, you can come over to breezy.io to create a landing page. As you can see right here, there are a lot of templates that they give you that you can get started with for absolutely free. So basically all you just need to do is scroll down and select any template of your choice, and literally all you just need to do is drag and drop, and you've created a landing page within 5 minutes. All right, this is an example of a landing page right here to a giveaway offer, as you can see right here. So here, once people click on this link right here, it's going to take them to that offer, and if they submit their email, you get paid. And if you don't want to use breezy.io, you can come over to Google site as well. As you can see, this is a very simple landing page that I made on Google site as well. So once people click on this get started button right here, they get taken to that CPA offer. As you can see, this is the page right here. And also, if you notice, it has this .tk domain right here, and you can get it for absolutely free. If you go over to freenom.com, you can get a custom domain right here if you don't want the Google site link. So if I go back to any other template on this page right here, so if I click on this, all right, and usually you can see also this is a very good landing page as well that I made on Google Sites. All right, so if you come over here to the grab link, all right, usually Google site is going to provide you with this type of link. But if you want to get a link that looks like this one right here, as you can see, getjobsnow.tk, this is a landing page that I made for an offer on AdWork Media. All right, so you can just basically come over to freenom.com and you can look for a domain, and they are going to give you that domain for absolutely free. So I've made a video about this, so I might link the link to that video in the description. So basically that is all you need to do. All you just need to do is pick an offer from any CPA network of your choice, and you want to head over to Facebook and create a Facebook page. So creating a Facebook page is very simple. All you just need to do is click on this menu right here, as you can see. So all you just need to do is click on page right here, and once you click on that, you can see you can give your page a name, and then you can give a little description, and this is where you are going to add this text right here, and you are going to leave a link. So like I always say, you don't want to use the CPA link. You want to create a landing page. Like I said, you can come over to breezy.io, or you can use Google Sites for absolutely free to create a landing page. So once you have your Facebook page created, all you can just basically do is add a few images by going over to Google and typing in PayPal gift card. You can see there are a lot of images right here. All you just need to do is add these images on your page. So basically that is all you need to do. You want to add a few images to your Facebook page so that it looks legit. So basically that is the process that you are going to use for as many offers that you find on this CPA network right here. Like I always say, for beginners, it's better you go for email submit because it's easier to get conversions that way. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on this video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.